Hi guys, I'm very excited today. I just received my new team associated B6 1DL. Till now I was using the B6 one and I really loved it. As you can see, this is my card on the front. It's running really well, but because obviously sometimes you have wet setup, sometimes you have dry setup, I just don't like to set it up all the time in a different way. So I thought I'm gonna try the DL. I'm not entirely sure what the DL actually stands for at the moment, but they do say it's gonna be a really good card for a very high grip surface. As in UK we are running on AstroTurf, and sometimes obviously the summer is on our neck, and when the truck is really dry, then it's a very high grip truck. So I was thinking I will need to try that. So let's get on with it and have a look what's in the box. Right, here we go. Let's see what's in the box. Obviously you can see lots of information on the side of the box as well, but I don't want to bore you with these. I think anybody can get all this information from the website itself. So let's just crack it open very quickly. Well, obviously, as you can see, you have the light G-concept shell. It is very light. I'm usually painting shells as well, so it's difficult when you say it's so slim to actually use liquid mask on the inside, because it's very easy to cut into the shell as well, not just the mask. You have a wing as well. You can cut it as you wish. It seems to be a little bit sturdier than the body itself. And the biggest piece, obviously, the chassis. That's easy to see. It's exactly the same chassis as it seems, at least, as on the B6.1. Each of the boxes are numbered, so it's going to be easy to put together. As you can see on this one, is definitely have the ball diff. They said that's an upgraded ball diff on it. You have obviously these diff case with some extra piece of shock bear ball things. Yes, what is the next one? This is number 2. You can see obviously the front shock tower, the bottoms. These actually seem to be exactly the same to me as it was on the front, apart from the arm. That seemed to be, instead of the gore wings, it seemed to be the straight one. Everything else seems to be the same. Yeah, these are the steering bits. Everything is plastic, apart from the little rings. I upgraded these on mine. I have metal. It's not like it was broken or anything else, really. It's just I prefer the metal pieces. And we have the hubs and the inserts. That's number 3, so it's all for the front. As you can see, again, I can't really see too many differences compared to the B6.1. That's now the rear. You have the rear arms and inserts, plus obviously the these to the back. Again, that was on the originally metal as well, I believe, and obviously all the inserts as well. It's metal on mine anyway, so. Okay, here we have the gear case, or sorry, the diff case, and all the inserts and the wing, the spare slipper clutch. It's gonna be interesting. That's meant to be upgraded as well, but on those just like that, I can't really see. We should see when it's running, how much different it's gonna be when you drive it. Here we have some more inserts and the rear hubs. I upgraded these to metal on mine as well. Alu shock ends, and obviously in here you will have all the shock parts. The oil, what oil we have here? I think you have a 30 WT one. And for the front, what is the size of the oil? I think it looks like it's recommending the 30 for the front and the back as well. I would really wonder if that would be true, but you only have one oil. Again, some more shock ends. The battery case is a set of bearings. Was just the usual set. And the stickers, and obviously the antenna, some tape. I upgraded this on mine as well. It's really rubbish. I mean, I don't like it. It's just so difficult to change the battery, moving it everywhere. So I will have to upgrade on this one as well. And you have obviously the team kit book. On a B61L, that's, I mean a B61 is colored on the front as well. So you have all the instructions. I found these instructions really handy, really clear, easy to build, and is so good quality to build as well. I built a PR car before, and it's just not comparable. It's absolutely not comparable. All these instructions are very clear. The bags, as they numbered up, is just so easy to build, and it's just a joy. I can't wait to start. So here you go, here you have it. And obviously, I think in the back you will have some instructions as well for the spares and the setups as well, which is very handy. Which is very handy. I think the body is absolutely convertible. It's gonna be exactly the same body as on my B6.1. So that's good, because I have a few body for that. So before I actually paint this, I will be, as soon as it's built, I will be able to use it. So there you have it. That is all. That is all. So we should see how it's gonna drive. I can't wait to put it together as well. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please comment, and if you would like to have more videos, then subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.